All right, guys, I think we are at part 4 of this video, and I was just rambling on about things like this that you need to really be careful of, because this is probably the most flimsy part of the whole camera, and you want to be very, very careful when you keep this, when you open and close this. Make sure you don't bend this metal. This metal is very, very easy to bend. So even if you're not that strong, you could clip it onto something by accident and damage it. So don't do that. Don't do that. I've done things like that before in the past and regretted it ever since. So just fair warning. Also, these things have beautiful lenses, and you don't want to scratch the lenses. So be very careful. I'm going to put it in here. But luckily, this Ricoh Theta comes with a little pouch. So when you're not using your camera, you should put it in your pouch and keep it there safely.
Likey.